Hi and welcome to Spry Whimsy. Today I'm going to show you a very basic maintenance tip that every Spinolution owner should know. It's the same whether you're on a Firefly or a Monarch or an Echo or a Bee or a Pollywog or a Bullfrog. The same holds true for all of these, and no matter what size flyer. There's a little cleaning you need to do once in a while on the flyer head. It's probably one of the most common reasons why I found that people have trouble with take-up. So basically the concept is when the wheel is turning, the bobbin needs to be stationary relative to the flyer. If the bobbin doesn't spin freely from the flyer, you're not going to have take-up, because the whole idea is this needs to turn while this stays put to pull the yarn onto the bobbin. If they move together, if for some reason something's keeping them from moving freely together, then you won't have take-up. So I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. Okay, the first thing you're going to do, pop off your orifice bar, pop off your bobbin, and at the back of the flyer head there's this little nut with a magnet on it, and on that nut there is the little set screw there. I'm going to take my 5/64 Allen screw here, Allen key, and loosen that nut. If I can get in there. The magnet will affect how well you can get in there. Okay, now I'm on there. Just loosen that up. And now the nut will slide forward. You can slide it forward a bit. And this is the first thing you want to clean out. Make sure there's nothing gunked up in here. But now that you've done that, you can push the shaft backwards and make sure there's nothing gummed up back here. And you can also now put a space here and clean out any fiber or anything else that seems to have gotten into here. These are some common places when you're spinning with fiber that fiber gets everywhere. You just know that. There's fluff everywhere. So a little bit's going to get in here, you want to clean that out. A little bit's going to get in the back, and you want to clean that out. And a little bit's going to get up front. Now don't take this all the way off, because there's lots of little washers and spacers and things amongst the head here, and you don't want to like lose the placement of all of that. So that's all you have to do, is just going to clean all that gunk out. Push your nut back into place. You don't want it really tight or anything, just sort of set back there. Make sure you're pushed in the back. Make sure you got no gap here now. And then retighten that nut. Doesn't take a lot to hold it in place. It's not really going anywhere. And then you should be set to go. So especially if you grab your shaft at some point and you turn it and the head turns with it, you know you've got a problem in there. It should spin freely. If I turn this, this should stay put. If it's not, then you got a problem. And sometimes you might get some gunk back here that might also be causing some extra squeaking or something as well. So clean that out once in a while. It can make a big difference on the performance of your Spinolution wheel. I hope this helps, and keep spinning.